In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a private channel on Slack, step by step. Private channels are perfect when you need a secure space for sensitive conversations, internal projects, or small team discussions that shouldn't be visible to everyone in your workspace. Whether you're a beginner on Slack or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire process in just a few minutes. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Slack homepage, or directly open the Slack app on your desktop. Once you're logged in, make sure you're inside the correct workspace where you want to create the private channel. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see the left sidebar with your existing channels, direct messages, and apps. Now, focus your attention on the left sidebar. Under the Channels section, you'll see a small plus button. This plus icon is used to create new channels. Go ahead and click on the plus button. A new window or panel will appear, prompting you to start creating a channel. At this stage, Slack will ask you to enter a name for your channel. Type in a clear and meaningful channel name that reflects the purpose of the conversation. For example, you might use a project name, a team name, or a confidential topic. Keep in mind that channel names are usually lowercase and use hyphens instead of spaces. Once you've typed in the channel name, click on the next button to continue. After clicking Next, Slack will now ask you to choose the type of channel you want to create. This is the most important step. You'll see options for a public channel and a private channel. Select the option for a private channel. Private channels are only visible to the people you invite, and they won't appear in the channel list for other members of the workspace. After selecting the private channel option, click on the Create button. Slack will now create your private channel. Next, Slack will give you the option to add people to your new private channel. You can invite team members right away by selecting their names from the list. If you're not ready to add anyone yet, you can simply click Skip for now. Don't worry, you can always invite people later whenever you need. Once you skip or add members, your private channel is officially created and ready to use. You'll now be inside the channel where you can start sending messages, sharing files, and collaborating securely with your invited members. And that's it. You've successfully created a private channel on Slack. As a quick reminder, only people you invite can see and access this channel, so it's a great option for private discussions and focused teamwork. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.